Global share markets were positive again overnight, although they did drop off slightly in later day trading. US markets were buoyed by the fact that jobs data was not too bad and the monthly trade deficit did decrease, largely due to an increase in their exports. However, news out of Germany did see markets down slightly later on. There were some reports out of Germany that Deutsche Bank, Germany's largest lender, will be looking to raise around $11 billion in a capital raising. This type of information would confirm the fact that German banks may look to raise further capital. The Kiwi dollar is also up fairly strongly overnight and is trading at 72.70 against the US dollar on Friday morning. We're also up over 57 against the euro. Beef and Lamb New Zealand have recently reported their new season outlook. Their views are consistent with many of our own here at ASB. International meat prices are expected to be relatively high in the season ahead, and this is due to the gap in supply we are currently seeing. Here in New Zealand, lamb numbers have fallen by about 15% over the past 2 years. While numbers are beginning to stabilise, it would not be surprising to see a further slight drop in the year ahead. On the farm gate, beef and lamb are expecting to see a slight drop in the average lamb price by about $5 per head to average $82 over the season. Our own view is that we will not see this easing to be quite so pronounced. Our current forecasts are for lamb prices to average close to last season levels. The New Zealand beef market is expected to stay very tight in the year ahead. Exports of beef from New Zealand shores have actually fallen 5% over the past 12 months as New Zealand farmers decide to finish more lambs rather than cattle. Beef and lamb's expectation is that beef prices will slightly fall in the year ahead, but this will once again be highly influenced by the currency. Their forecasts have been based on a 68-cent exchange rate against the US dollar. Of course, if the exchange rate is closer to 72 cents, which it currently is, then this will have a negative effect on prices. At ASB, we are expecting to see international beef prices remain higher than typical right through the coming season. This should help to underpin local prices and keep them at or slightly higher than last year levels.